Hello. Welcome to a TikTok tutorial on how to live stream to your PC. First things first, if you guys just want to leave a comment down below for me for the algorithm, then I'd really appreciate it. Well, really, it's live streaming from your PC. So you're going to want to go ahead and download something called TikTok Live Studio. Just go ahead and press download for Windows after you log in. You used to have to do a whole bunch of other kind of stuff to get it. Like you had to have like a certain amount of followers and stuff to be able to be allowed to download it. But I don't think that that's the case anymore. I think that it's fully released. I remember when the beta for this came out, I had to send like physical letters to TikTok begging them to let me use it, even though I had over 1,000 subscribers. It was the Wild West, but yeah, I locked in and I got a good amount of followers from it. And I appreciate that TikTok gave me the opportunity to be able to become one of the beta testers of this. But now it should be available for everybody to use. And I accidentally pressed on the installer instead of just Live Studio itself, unless there's like some sort of like update or something, which probably was the case. And then the reason why it's important to log in before you download it is I believe sometimes it'll automatically go ahead and log you in, but in my case I think it's going to do that too. It might log me out because there is an update. I don't know, we'll see. Okay, so as you see, I'm already logged in, and from there all you have to do is press go live, and then this screen will open up. And now you can go ahead and stream from PC. This is going to be just like OBS. You can choose between landscape and portrait and dual layouts. You can add cameras, text, all sorts of different stuff. I don't have my camera on currently right now. Otherwise, it would be right here in this section. And yeah, it's actually pretty chill. It's really cool to use. I will say it is a little bit laggy, but this is going to be the only way that you can stream on PC, short of getting a stream key. And you do need, it's not a sponsorship, it's a partnership with a TikTok program in order to get a stream key. So it's honestly not worth it, and you should probably just use this. And yeah, if you guys have any questions, comments, or concerns, make sure to go ahead and put them down below. Other than that, it's been a TikTok tutorial. Thank you guys so much for watching. Have a wonderful day.